Assalamu alaikum students, this is Farwa Batul, your O-level computer science instructor, and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to do activity 10.4, question number 1, part A of chapter number 10, Boolean logic. The question says that draw the logic circuit and complete the truth table for the following logic or Boolean expression. So the expression is here, x equals to a or b. Then there is an or operator, and then the second bracket is not A and B. So let me quickly make the logic circuit for this given expression. Remember that to make a logic circuit, first you have to make the circuits, the intermediate circuits for the brackets. The first bracket is A or B. So when you will make A or B, you have to first make two input lines, one for A and the other input is B, and then pass both of these input lines through an OR gate. When you will pass it through an OR gate, it will give you A or B. Now let's quickly do for the next bracket, that is not A and B. Okay, not A and B means that the input A is going to be inverted first, not A. So what I will be doing, I will take the input A line and I will pass this through an inverter. When you pass it through an inverter, you will get not A. Once you get not A, then input B will be passed through gate AND. There is an AND gate that is taking not A and B as inputs. So what I will do, I will pass not A and B through an AND gate. This is how you have done the second bracket. This is done the first bracket, this is done the second bracket. Now look at the operator between these two brackets. The operator that connects the two brackets is an OR operator. So it's very simple. Here you have not A and B. So these two lines are finally going through an OR gate. Because here in the expression, it's clear that two brackets are connected through an OR gate. So we will join these two input lines and we will pass them through an OR gate finally, so that we will get the value of output X. So the output X is nothing but your logic expression that is given to you. We can simply write it will be A or B. Then an OR operator is joining the second input, that is not A and B. So this is how you have to make the logic circuit of the given logic expression. You have to solve the inner brackets first and then join them with the operator that is connecting the two brackets. Okay, so this is a logic circuit. Now quickly moving towards the truth table. I have already designed the truth table here for you. Let me quickly tell you that how you can design your truth table and how you should know that what are the columns that you need to make for the given logic expression. So look at this. What I did first in your logic, let me quickly copy this logic expression. X equals to A or B, then it's an OR operator, then not A and B. Now, let me tell you how I made the truth table here. So for the truth table, what you will be doing, first you will see how many input values are there. So for me, the input values are A and B. Two input values are there. So I have made two columns, input A and input B. Since we have two input values, so there will be four distinct pairs of inputs that will go through a logic circuit. So it will be, if I just quickly fill the table, it will be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. These are the four distinct input pairs that you will have. for two input values A and B. Now in the logic expression, see if any of the inputs is being inverted. So here if you see that not A is the A, input A is inverted. That's why I have made the column not A. Then finally I have made a column for the first bracket, that is A or B, and then I have made the column for the second inner bracket, that is not A and B. Once I'm done with the inner brackets net, then I will do an OR operation between these two brackets, A or B and not A and B. So let's quickly start with the working. Let me clean this for you. Okay, let's start with the first column. In the first column, you have to invert the values of input A. So if it is 0, 0, 1, 1, you have to make it 1, 1, 0, 0. Input A is going to be inverted because it is passing through a NOT gate. Next, we have A or B. A or B means that you will be considering the two columns A and B and you have to add them. So 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Remember that OR operator means addition of the binary data. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is also 1 since these are the binary values. So we are done with A or B. Now quickly do for the second bracket. Second bracket says that you have not A and B. Not A is this one and B is this one. So you will be doing AND operation between these two columns. AND operation means the multiplication of the bits. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is again 0. 1 into 0 is 0. We are done. Now finally what you have to do, you have to add both of these brackets A or B and then not A and B. These two inner brackets are going to be, the values of them are going to be added because we have an OR operation between them. So finally 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 1 plus 1 becomes 1, 1 plus 0 becomes 1 and 1 plus 0 becomes 1. So this is your final result 0, 1, 1, 1. This is how you fill the truth table for the given logic expression if you have two input values A and B. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it is clear to you. In the next video, we will be doing part B of the same activity 10.4 question number 1. Okay, stay tuned, stay connected. Bye bye.